Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply this retro pink coloring to your videos in ShotCut. So here I have already imported photos, but you can also use videos for this filter. And after that, just go to the filter here at the menu. Swipe through the category until you find retro, and then in here to add the retro pink retro coloring, choose this one. I don't know what it's called, but there's number 1 to it, so click on that and adjust the intensity to your liking, but I'm going to go with 100. Click on apply to all if you want to apply it to the entire clip or edits, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.